You can like dip your donut and your chicken in this sauce in the bottom. There's literally a 1/4 inch of sugary goodness that this thing just was floating in. So good. All right, this one is a secret surprise. Well, not really. My kid suggested that we do the KFC donut chicken sandwich. Look at that bad boy right there. Let me zoom in and get a little, it's in the package. We'll take a bite. We'll see what it looks like. We'll give it a taste. This is gonna be good. I am excited about this. It smells, oh my goodness. Manja, manja, manja. It smells really good. So, looks like what I'm seeing here. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be messy. Look at the bottom of this. Whoa, whoa. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, the sugary topping of a donut. There's a puddle of it. It is about 1,000 degrees. My fingers are burning right now. This is really hot. It's really fresh. It smells really good. Look at that bad boy. Oh my goodness. Let me see if it's on the inside. We've got nothing but fried chicken and 2 donuts. Let's see how she tastes. Oh. Wow. That's a big sandwich. Very sweet. Man, this would be a good breakfast sandwich, you know? Man, this is good. The sweet's a little bit on the sweet side. Very messy. Look at the line of like stuff from my finger. Very, very messy, but delicious. Forbidden donut. Yummy. This is a new menu item from KFC. This is all the craze. Very popular. They cook the donuts fresh. They are hot, they are fresh, they are really good. Nutritious and delicious. You really can't go wrong. What's great about these donuts, see the hole? That hole there originally was where all the calories were. And somehow the calories just poured out that hole when they were cooking it. So, so no calories there. There's a hole in the bottom there. Oh, no calories there. Up in the chicken calories, just fell into the dipping sauce. Oh my goodness. Chicken fried batter. Got stuff just dripping. This is some good stuff. I like this new direction KFC's going. Taking bold moves here. Let's do something crazy. Let's dip it. Look at that stuff. Just, oh yeah. I mean, that's good. Yeah. And it was a good price. This was I feel like I get stuff all over my face. I can't even wipe my fingers there. This donut's gonna fall apart if I do. It was $5.99 for the sandwich. I think it was $9 with potato wedges and a soda. So it's a pretty good deal. You know, what you get, it's kind of good. I took my kid to the airport today, and just a it was like $9 for a chicken sandwich and a Coke, no fries or nothing at Burger King, and they charge up the yin yang up at the airport. I'm gonna dip it down. Oh yeah, it's falling apart. Fresh, hot, sticky donut. Man, this is good. Man. I was here a couple of days ago and got a like a four-piece chicken sandwich, and I got the donut on the side. And then, cause I didn't realize this was on the menu. And you know, after my kid said, "You gotta check that out." Whoop! Oh, that's not good. It's better as a sandwich than it is separate. Wow. It's okay to eat the sugar on the bottom, because when they originally designed this, they designed it with that sugar being part of the donut. Oh man, this is good. Yeah, $6 and under $6.50, you know, with tax. Can you go wrong? Man, this better have come with some wet wipes. This is sticky, messy. Don't eat this while driving. You will get bit. You guys noticed that was live PD. You guys, everybody watches live PD. Hey, there's my friend Leroy. He's on live PD. Now, that's messy. Yeah, this is a 3-bib meal. This is pretty messy, pretty sticky. Lucky for me, I've got some water, a towel, man, so I can wipe up. This is really, man, my fingers are like Gorilla Glue. Man. Yeah, it's a good thing I'm a doctor to get these doctor towels here. There we go. Doctor-ish. This is good. I've said that like a million times already, but man, that was good. How would it be with pickles in it though? I mean, I don't know. Sounds good to me, but I love pickles. Some dill pickles, donuts, fried chicken. Just don't get any better than this. Man, good to go. I am signing off. I have work to do. It is almost time for me to go back to work. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Look at easy. I mean, how hard is it to hit the like button? Bam! Done. Share, subscribe. You have to share it. I don't really care about that. But hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Don't worry about the bell. I don't really care about that. But you hit the like, hit the subscribe. Make me happy. Alright? Send me a comment. I get back to all my comments. I don't always get notifications, so you know, I do my best. That's about it. Alright. Thanks guys. I love you. We'll see you soon with our next meal. I got some good stuff coming, some really good stuff. I already ordered it. It's on its way. Action packed. Oh, gotta go to work. Love ya. Bye.